guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the best trading channel on YouTube. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are talking about the best swing trading strategy. Whether you're a beginner or you've been swing trading for years, this is going to be the strategy that I've been using for over 6 years, swing trading full time. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to sign up for my swing trading course, I'll put it down below. We talk about how I find stocks, my mindset, my strategy, the psychology of a trader. I'll put that down below, and you guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check that out, but let's just dive into this. Now, for those of you that don't know what swing trading is, well, swing trading in general is when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a day but less than a year. Now, on average, I hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks. Obviously, sometimes I hold them shorter and sometimes I hold them longer. It all depends on the stock and the type of strategy that I'm using for it. So here's an example of a stock that I would look at to possibly swing trade. So the first thing we need to understand when evaluating a company is possible entries. You need to look at your stop loss, your profit, the overall trend, and is there any news or earnings going on with the company. So the first thing, looking at FNGR, you guys will notice that we do have this nice upward trend, meaning we do have a lot more buyers in control of this stock. This is always a stronger indication that we're going to see more buying pressure if you guys are a long trader. If you're a short trader, you want selling pressure. Now, looking at this chart, you guys will notice that near and around $6.10, we have this tendency of getting sell-off at this price, right? It hit it once, we got sell-off twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. Every single time it hits that price, we just see natural tendencies of getting sell-off. This is what we call resistance. Resistance is at a certain price or certain moving average line or indicator where we just see tendencies of getting sell-off. Now, support, on the other hand, is when we get the complete opposite of that. So this is when we get buying pressure in a stock. Well, looking here, you guys will notice that I drew 2 lines. One at about $4.57, the next one here at about $4.15. Now, right in this zone, you guys will notice that we do see tendencies of the complete opposite. This is when we get tendencies of seeing buying pressure. Looking here, you guys will see it hit it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. So obviously, looking at this as a swing trader, where would you want to invest? Would you want to buy up here? No. The reason why is because this is resistance. We are going to see more selling pressure compared to buying pressure. You're going to want to buy in this zone. That's why I have an alert right here. Now, as we zoom in, one of the reasons I love it is because we have this red line. This red line represents the 200 moving average line. So this is a indicator that a lot of swing traders like myself, and what this does is it acts as support. It gives another indication that we could possibly see more buying pressure. And looking here, you guys will see that it established support at that line before where it curled down, where I drew that circle, and we got buying pressure there. So now looking at it here, you guys will see that there could be a move right in the zone at about 430 back up to resistance. So this is just a clear beginner strategy that anybody can use to make money in the markets. Looking at it here, you guys could set your stop loss below $4, so you're risking near and around 30 cents to possibly have this come back up to $6.23. So you're risking 30 cents to possibly make over $2, which is an absolute beautiful risk and reward. You know, with swing trading, one of the most important things is risk management. Risk management isn't about making money, it's about preserving your capital. That's one of the most important things. And this is just a great example of how you could use risk management to your advantage to make a good amount of money. Now, here is another example of a stock that I am currently in the swing trade of, and this is on Google. Google is an absolute beautiful stock, right? We have that beautiful upward trend. Now, as we kind of zoom out, you guys will see that Google in the past has had use that same line, that 200 moving average line, as support, right? We got buying pressure several times, right? Once, twice, 3 times. Now, looking at it here, we had this crazy sell-off from an earnings report. Now, this earnings wasn't a bad earnings. They pretty much missed their cloud revenue, but their overall revenue was still really, really strong. So looking at it here, you guys will see it curl down, and we got a ton of sell-off down to the support. The support for Google was at that 200 moving average line that we already knew. So what I did as an educated trader is I hopped in near around $23. Right in the zone, I set my stop loss below the 200 moving average line. So I'm pretty much risking a little over $2 to possibly have this thing obviously come back up to 138. Now, will it come back up to that point? Most likely not. But what I do see a possible scenario is about 134, the old resistance right here where we got natural sell-off. So right now I am currently in well over $9 a share. And my stop loss, I set it below this 90 moving average line near around 129. So we'll see what happens, but this is not just another very beginner friendly strategy that you could use to take advantage of as a swing trader, just using these moves, being well up, several $100s just alone on this trade. And on that other one is just another fantastic opportunity. We'll pull up one more just so you guys can see more clear examples. This one here is VIST. This is another swing trade we are in. We hopped in yesterday near and around, I believe our average is a little under or not one, but under $25. I'll have to pull it up. $25.90. So right in that zone. And the reason why is we had this tendency of getting buying pressure on that line, right on that support. So what I did is I took this opportunity to buy in, and now we're holding to see if we can get a push above that 90 moving average line. I'm super excited to see where this one goes and see if we can get a push over $27. That would be the dream. I definitely think we could see it happening, but these are just great examples of the best strategy swing traders need to understand. We have that upward trend. We have everything in our favor. Temporary sell-off to get a push back up. Honestly, this is super simple, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course. I'll put it down below, and we actually talk about how to find these opportunities. So make sure you guys check that out, but we'll see you guys later. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.